Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have seen how to make program in Scratch. And our next topic is motion blocks. All the commands and blocks, those are used to make movement and rotation of the sprite on the stage remains in motion blocks. And those blocks are in blue color. Their color code is blue. So let's see motion blocks. The blocks that you find under motion category are motion blocks. As you can see that they are blue in color code blue. Motion blocks controls a sprite's movement, rotation and position on the stage. Using these blocks you will be able to create Scratch applications or program that can move sprites around the stage, rotate sprites, point them in different direction, change their location and other similar things. For basic movement, you will be using following motion blocks. Move 10 steps. Move the sprite by specified number of steps. Positive value will move sprite in forward right direction and negative value will move sprite in backward left direction. Example, move 10 steps will move the sprite 10 steps forward in right direction, while move minus 10 or negative 10 steps will move the sprite 10 steps backward in left direction. Next, turn clockwise 15 degree. Turn the sprite in clockwise direction by given number of degrees, and that degree could be 0 to 360. Turn anti-clockwise 15 degrees. Turn the sprite in anti-clockwise direction by given number of degrees. Point in direction. Point the sprite in different direction. This direction may be up, down, left or right. Following section will be explained directions in Scratch. Directions in Scratch. Let's learn about directions now so that you could move your sprite in all the directions. To learn about directions, have a look at following diagram. As you can see that Scratch has a set of value for each direction. For up 0, for right 90, for down 180 and for left minus 90. So in Scratch, for right direction you will use value as 90 in point command, in this point in direction command. For up direction value 0, for left direction value minus 90 and for down direction value minus 80 in point in direction command block. Similarly, you can use value 45 for up direction, upright direction, minus 45 for up left direction, minus 135 for down left direction and 135 for down right direction. So in this way we can move sprite in any direction. Here is an example, sprite pointing down. So we have to use 180 in point in direction like this. Sprite pointing up. So we use 0 value in point in direction. Sprite pointing left. We use minus 90 in point in direction. Sprite pointing right. So we use 90 degree in point in direction.